it's Miss Sarah, and I'm going to read you another St. Patrick's Day book. But first, let's go over our rules. Rule number 1, eyes are watching. Rule number 2, ears are listening. Let's turn them on. Rule number 3, voices are quiet. Rule number 4, body is calm. All right, so this story is Pete the Cat, the Great Leprechaun Chase. Sounds like Pete the Cat wants to go exploring. Tomorrow is St. Patrick's Day, and Pete's teacher, Mr. G, is teaching about leprechauns. The only time you can catch one is on St. Patrick's Day. A leprechaun will bring you good luck, Mr. G says. Now everyone in class wants a leprechaun. Pete gets a great idea. He will open a leprechaun chasing business. Think that will happen? I don't know. St. Patrick's Day comes and Pete gathers some supplies. He hangs a sign above his stand. This will be easy, Pete thinks. Pete's Lucky Leprechaun Chasers. Pete's Lucky Leprechaun Chasers. Squirrel is Pete's first customer. I want a leprechaun, Squirrel says. I need good luck for my test. Cool. I'm on it, says Pete. And he gives them some supplies to catch that leprechaun. Pete has a plan. He will follow a rainbow until he finds a leprechaun. Finally, Pete arrives at the end of the rainbow and finds Clover the leprechaun next to a pot of gold. Pete sneaks up behind Clover. Whoosh! Does Pete catch the leprechaun? But Clover is too fast. Did you think you could catch me so easily? He asks. Once there was a cat named Pete who thought nabbing some luck would be neat. Then he happens upon a smart leprechaun who he'll find quite tricky to beat. Clover disappears into a puff of green smoke. Pete will need a new plan. Pete didn't catch that leprechaun. He's going to have to find something else. That afternoon, Gus visits Pete's Lucky Leprechaun Chasers. I want a leprechaun, Gus says. I need good luck for my band recital. Pete plans to lure Clover out with his music. He plays a jaunty song on his guitar. Before long, Clover dances over to Pete. Just a little closer, Pete thinks. Suddenly, Clover starts spinning round Pete. Round and round Clover goes, faster and faster. Oh no. Pete's gonna get dizzy. Oh no. Clover wraps up Pete with the rope. Pete has finally met his match. A crafty leprechaun he just can't catch. He'll never win. He better give in or find something else to snatch. That leprechaun likes to rhyme. That evening, Callie visits Pete's lucky leprechaun. Chasers. I want a leprechaun, Callie says. I need good luck for my tennis match. Says Pete. St. Patrick's Day is almost over. There isn't much time left to catch a leprechaun. But Pete won't give up yet. Pete sets a trap for Clover. Before long, Clover tiptoes up to the trap and sniffs the air. I love candy, he whispers, peering under the box. Pete waits very quietly. Crash! Pete rushes over and checks underneath the trap. But it is empty. Clover skips away. Pete has tried many a plot, but still I haven't been caught. And isn't it dandy, I even got candy, while Pete ends up with nothing. Pete has an idea. He follows the trail of spilled candy to Clover's secret hideout. Ooh. I wonder what's going to happen. Is Pete going to catch Clover? Pete sneaks up behind Clover. Swoosh! Pete finally catches Clover. Pete got him. Why do you want me? Clover asks. I'm helping my friends who need some extra luck, Pete says. Luck doesn't come from having a leprechaun, says Clover. You and your friends have each other. That already makes you as lucky as can be. Could Clover be right? Pete is one very lucky cat. A lucky cat does not need a lucky leprechaun. He lets Clover go. Pete decides he will be the good luck his friends need by helping them out himself. Pete helps Squirrel study for his test. Squirrel aces it. Pete helps Gus rehearse for the recital. Gus rocked it. Pete helps Callie practice for her match. Callie wins it. Clover magically appears. Good luck, Pete. Good job, Pete, says Clover. I have one more poem for you. I wonder what this poem is today. While Clover played hide and seek, Pete learned something unique. The luck that you make beats luck that you take any old day of the week. Ooh, that is a nice rhyme. Happy St. Patrick's Day. Ooh, I like that story. I hope you did too. Until next time, bye.